Last summer, I went to the beach with my family. It has been one of the best trips of my life. The weather was sunny and the sea was very blue. We stayed in a small hotel near the beach. First, we arrived at the hotel and left our bags. Then we went to the beach to swim. The water was clear and we played in the waves. After that, we had delicious seafood at restaurant. The next day, we talked about trip. I had never seen such beautiful fish before. Finally, we watched the sunset together. It was so special and peaceable. peaceful. This trip has been unforgettable because he had fun and spent time with my family. I hope to visit that place again someday.